What's up, guys? Today we have Black Canary taking on Lockjaw. Like the other Black Canary battles on this list, today we're going to be doing Dinah Laurel Lance. Now, Dinah Laurel Lance was the daughter of Dinah Drake, obviously the original Black Canary, and her canary cry was the result of a curse by the wizard, but after a retcon, it was later revealed to be a byproduct. Anyways, let's move on to Lockjaw. The dog known as Lockjaw is the loyal pet of the Inhuman royal family. He was born from the Inhuman's experiments on dogs, where his mother was brought to Adeline as a puppy. And yes, I'm currently not happy with this fight. I hate dogs. They suck. I hate dogs. I hate them so much. And she was impregnated by her own clone genetic material. Anyways, let's just get on with this fight. Yes, I don't like dogs. They're my least favorite animals. Okay, in terms of strength, Lockjaw has been able to hold the thing in a place. The Hulk needed all of his strength to grapple him, and he was able to hold on Silver Surfer's board with his mouth, despite Surfer's attempt at retrieving it. And of course, Laurel, being a human, would probably be tougher, but Laurel was, able to kick someone's head off and able to hold her on a fight against Wonder Woman and Giganta. So I'd say they're pretty even in terms of strength. Now in speed, Lockjaw was able to catch Quicksilver in the air, instantly teleport the Hulk to another dimension, was able to save Crystal just by teleporting twice in a span of a couple of seconds, and could teleport anywhere instantly. That was even used by Thor in some cases. Now, I know Thor really isn't one of the faster Marvel characters. It was proven in many videos. Thor had a hard time with Daredevil and Spider-Man. But like I said earlier in this video, Lockjaw was able to hold on Silver Surfer, who's one of the fastest characters in the whole Marvel universe. Now I would still say, in terms of speed, Lockjaw is far more impressive. The thing about an animal, about dogs, is that they're actually meant to be faster than a human. So it makes sense that Black Canary really wouldn't be that long. It makes sense that Lockjaw is faster. Now, durability is unique. Lockjaw was able to survive blasts and hits from Silver Surfer, which is impressive. But Black Canary survived attacks from Giganta, Amazo, and Wonder Woman. So I'd say they're pretty even in physicality overall, especially strength and durability. But it's just speed where it goes to Lockjaw. Black Canary is the better fighter, no question about that. You're talking about a dog versus a human. If anyone posts in the comments, oh yeah, dogs are better fighters than humans. Okay. Black Canary, a human is a better fighter than a dog. That's just how life is. And obviously, Black Canary is a far superior fighter. No question about that, and no debate. Now, in my opinion, Black Canary wins this one pretty easily. It's always because while Lockjaw was able to lead the Inhumans and even has the ability of speaking, Black Canary is far more powerful. That cry alone would just devastate Lockjaw. All Laurel has to do is just use the Canary cry and constantly walk towards Lockjaw, and Lockjaw couldn't at that point could no longer resist it, and because of that, Black Canary would win pretty easy. Plus, Laurel is arguably the more likely to kill. Not all the time, but is more likely to kill on occasion. So in my opinion, Black Canary wins.